Hello. Today I'm going to be making myself a cake to celebrate myself. No, it's not my birthday, but I just want to celebrate all of the wonderful qualities that I have. I don't know what I have, but I'm going to celebrate myself anyway. Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be making myself a cake because I was sitting there, I just really fancied some cake, so I'm going to make a cake for myself, but I will reluctantly share it with other members of my household. What I'm going to need for this cake is a recipe, the ingredients for the recipe, a companion for this recipe, which will be my dog, a treat for my dog, and washed hands. I have my recipe here. It is a vegan sponge cake because I want to be kind to my gut, and dairy is not kind to my gut. We'll leave it there. So I have the recipe. And let's get into it. Step number 1, heat the oven to 180 degrees. Line the bases of 2 tins. I have 1 tin, so we're just gonna make a big cake. And grease with a little of the dairy-free spread. Right, let's go. Oh, can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Oh, I am 5'6". I am a giant. You don't know how to line the face in. I ripped the paper. Butter. Let me just scooch past you to the fridge. Grab the, oh, that's my chest area. Right, step 2, put the dairy-free milk into a jug, add the vinegar, because this has cider vinegar in, instead of eggs. Leave for a few minutes until it looks a little lumpy. Alright, we'll do that. Put half of the vanilla seeds and all the other cake ingredients into a large bowl and pour over the milk mixture. Using a spoon, beat everything until smooth. So we're going to make a lumpy mixture. That's really weird. Oh, there we go. Oh. So I'm looking at this, it's probably been like 30 seconds and it's not going lumpy. I'm not sure if I put enough in, but I'm not sure if I should put more in, and I'm prone to not following the recipe when I try and bake. So I might put a tiny bit more in and just see what happens, why not? Oh, it says a few minutes, so I'm gonna sort the other ingredients out first because that's what I should do instead of trying to watch paint dry. Vanilla seeds, I don't have. Vanilla extract, I do have. And everything else, and put them in. Getting closer. I've got my mix of milk and cider vinegar, and it's not even the slightest bit lumpy. Why did I do that? I'm not sure whether to just put it in. I'm just gonna put it in. Oh. It says to mix with a wooden spoon. Oh, well, I'm not looking at you. It says to mix with a wooden spoon, but I'm going to use a fork because it has whisk-like qualities. This is not the hard labour that I deserve when I'm making a cake to celebrate myself. I know I said I'm going to make it, but I should have just got someone to make it for me or just bought one from a shop. But here we are, mixing cake, still lumpy, but we're getting there. So I'm just going to, can't speak. So I'm just going to assume that the butter is going to melt because it's still a little bit lumpy. So we're going to assume that's going to melt. But what I'm going to do is taste it because it's got vinegar in, and I want to see if it's going to taste nice. It tastes like cucumber. The next step is to divide the mix between 2 tins. I have 1 tin and I'm not going to spend half an hour each time. This is a very full cake tin and it says it's supposed to take 30 to 35 minutes, but that's for 2 halves. So I'm just going to leave it in the oven and hope that it cooks at least by 9 PM. The cake is in the oven and I kindly saved myself some batter because it just tastes really good. Like cucumber, but still good. And it doesn't have egg in, so I'm not going to get salmonella. I got cake batter on my knee. Can you see that? I'm just going to wait for the cake to cook and I'll be back. And there we have it, the cake. It's a little bit burnt on top, but it's cooked, finally. I need to make the buttercream. I am not cutting it in half, I can't be bothered for that. I don't really want jam in it either. So I'm going to make buttercream, and for that, got my trusty recipe, and we need, what do we need? Dairy-free spread, icing sugar and vanilla, and maybe a tiny bit of milk. Oh no, oh no. Oh, is it actually done? I'm not sure if it's done. Oh, that's really close. I'm going to try a piece though. It tastes really... Oh, I'm sad. I don't think I like the taste of it. Try another piece, because you know, 3rd time's the charm. Anybody that knows me well knows that I do like a little happy dance when I eat cake. And I'm not doing a little happy dance, which means it's not a great cake. But I'm hoping if you shove a bunch of buttercream on, it'll make it all better. Hopefully, else I'm just going to go to bed and cry myself to sleep. So I'm going to shove these in a bowl, whisk them together, add a bit of vanilla and hope that it cures the cake problem. Hopefully. So this is what my buttercream looks like. It tastes really good actually. Never made it myself before, so I am proud. I'm going to be a professional baker. I'm going to run Bake Off next year when life happens again. And I'm going to win because my beautiful cake and my beautiful buttercream are mediocre. This doesn't seem right, or is it? Hey, oh, of course that would happen. Of course. The cake fell apart. My cake just fell apart in front of my very eyes. This just sums this whole thing up. This cake was supposed to be to celebrate myself, and I couldn't think of something to celebrate about myself, any good qualities. So the cake broke. Look. Split. Burnt. Diesel's like just chilling here. Yeah, the kitchen's a mess. I'm really disappointed. I might as well just put the buttercream on warm. You're not supposed to do that, but might as well now. Might as well at this point. Or maybe I could put it down. No, there's no recovering from this. Isn't the diesel? There's literally no recovering from this. Are you ready for the final result of my brilliant vegan cake? Surprise! Isn't that one appetizing looking cake? Doesn't that look beautiful? I am very disappointed. I need to do a taste test. Time for the big test. I'm so disappointed in this vegan cake. I thought it was gonna be amazing. I was gonna be happy and do an all happy cake dance, but no, that didn't happen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. All my social media links will be in the description as well. Please subscribe. Out of sympathy, if anything, I think I need some cheering up. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.